tell me about yourself.
Good evening, sir. Sir, thank you for giving me opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, Priyanka Pangarkar. I am from Sinnar. I did my computer diploma from Martha's Polytechnic, Yavla. I belong in nuclear family. I like to play in kabaddi and cooking. My short-term goal is create a career in IT industry.
Okay. So Priyanka, tell me what you know about Java.
Java is high-level programming language. It is platform independent because bytecode is platform independent. It is robust. It is simple.
Okay, sorry.
It is easy to understand.
Okay.
It is developed by James Gosling.
Okay. So, what is JDK, JRE, and JVM?
JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It is combination of JDK. It is combination of JRE and JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It executes the bytecode. So Java is platform independent, and JRE provides classes and libraries to execute a Java program.
Okay, very good. So, what is the object-oriented feature of Java? What are different, we can say, pillars?
Pillars: classes and object, encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction.
Okay. So then what is the difference between object-oriented programming languages like C, C++, Java, and procedure-oriented programming language like C?
In procedure-oriented programming language, we divide our program into functions, and in OOP, we divide our program into objects. OOP does not support pointers, and C has support pointers.
Okay, so you are talking about pointers.
POP is provide less security, and OOP provide high security.
How object-oriented provides high security?
Because in POP it give importance to functions, and so data is freely moved. OOP does not.
Okay, so have you heard about access modifiers?
Yes, sir.
What are different
public, private, and protected.
Public, private, protected. Okay, and default is also there, right?
Default is also.
Okay. So tell me something about classes and objects.
Classes is blueprint or template which object we created. Classes is logical term. It is combination of data member and member functions. Object is real time entity. It is instance of class. It has state and behavior.
Tell me something about main method of Java.
Main method. Sorry, sir.
What is the syntax of main method? Have you ever heard about public, void,
static, void, main?
What is that main method actually? And who executes the main method?
Main method is executed by the JVM.
Main method is executed by JVM. Okay. So, tell me something about packages.
Packages is a collection of classes. Using import keyword, we can use package. Package are two types: inbuilt package and user-defined packages.
Okay, so can you give me some examples of inbuilt packages?
Sir, scanner, file reader, file writer.
Scanner is a class, it's not a package, right?
Sorry, util.
Util is a utility package. Okay, then
language.
For file handling, which class we use?
File handling.
Which package we use for file handling? Which package we import?
IO package.
IO. Okay, very good. So, what is file writer class and file reader class?
It is a character-oriented classes. File reader is used for if we want to read data in file, and file writer is used when we write data into file.
Okay, so you create object of file writer class and file reader class.
File reader class.
Okay, so tell me something about abstract class in Java.
Abstract class. Using abstract keyword, we create abstract class. We cannot create object of abstract class. We must create child of an abstract class.
We must create child class of an abstract class. Okay, so can we have more than one parent class in Java or a class?
No, sir. Multiple inheritance does not support in Java.
It is not supporting.
Java.
It is not supported in Java. Why it is not supported?
If multiple parent class have same method, when we create child object of child class and call this method, it create ambiguity to the compiler. So that's the reason.
Okay, that is the reason it is not supported. Okay. So what is static variable?
Static variable is constant variable. We using final
What is the difference between static variable and final variable?
Final variable we does not modify it, and static variable is declared in class but outside all the methods.
Okay. So okay, now tell me something about functions.
Functions is a block of code or group of statements.
Can function return more than one value in Java?
No,
Or only one value at a time?
One value at a time return.
Okay. So what is array?
Array is a collection of homogeneous elements. It is stores same type of data.
Okay. And what is array list? What is the difference between these two?
Array is static and array list is dynamic. If we create 3 number of array, it is static, and dynamic we can create more number as per our requirement.
So array list is a collection class which is dynamic in nature. We can add any n number of elements at any time. But in array we cannot add elements, right? This is the difference. Okay. So what is interface?
Interface is a contract that class must be implement. Using implement keyword we can use interface. Multiple interface is allowed in Java.
Multiple interfaces.
We can achieve 100% abstraction using interface.
Okay. Can you give me one example of interface that you have used in Java? Any inbuilt interface have you used? No. Okay.
Iterable and collection.
So collection is one interface.
List, set.
Iterable is one interface, right?
List, set, queue.
Yes. Then okay, runnable interface in multi-threading. Okay. So what is multi-threading basically?
Multiple threads execute concurrently. It is called multi-threading.
What are the benefits of multiple threads?
It makes our program more responsive and improve its performance.
To improve performance of our program. Okay. So what are different methods of thread class?
Sleep, set priority, set minimum priority, set maximum priority.
Set priority, okay. So set priority is a method, sleep is a method, right? Join is a method. What is join method of thread class? Okay. So what is context switch?
If two threads are running concurrently, if one thread is in process, then one thread is for waiting, then CPU time is sharing in between them.
So context switch matlab switching, right, between the threads. Okay, when one thread is idle, then second thread executes, right? Okay, so now tell me thread life cycle. What are different stages of thread during its life cycle?
Runnable, waiting, new.
Tell me in sequence.
New, runnable, waiting, destroy.
Time waiting
and destroy.
Okay. So what is final, finally and finalize in Java?
Final keyword is reserved keyword. It is used for create final class, constant or final method. Finally is a block for using exception handling. When the important code is run, then we use final keyword in exception. And finally is for cleaning process. When object finalize. Finalize is for cleaning process. When object is garbage collected.
Finalize is a method, right? Finally is a keyword. Finally is a block.
Final keyword finally is.
Okay. Where we use finally block?
In exception handling.
What is the use of finally?
If we want to execute important code like closing a file, then we use finally block.
Okay. So can you tell me the logic of factorial? How you calculate factorial?
Factorial.
Just I want logic. Okay. So can you tell me something about extended for loop? What is extended for loop in Java? Why it is used? Where it is used?
It is used in collection.
Any type of collection like arrays or array list to navigate in the forward direction. Okay. Okay. So Priyanka, I want you to prepare more. Okay. So next time I will take your interview. Okay. I will ask some logics as well. So next time आपको लॉजिक भी करके आना है, ठीक है? प्रॉपर लॉजिक देखो, लॉजिक बिल्ड करो और वैसा प्रिपरेशन करो, ठीक है? थैंक यू, बाय बाय.